We're doing a big batch of coasters today. I'm using a pearl white mica powder and a white pigment from Armor Art, and this is going to go around the outside. I have to work quickly because this is a big batch of resin, and these are a lot of coasters that I gotta try to get the way I want them within the 45 minutes of working time. I'm Anna Koehn. Thanks for joining me today for this resin session here. Next, we're going to put in some blue. We've got black sea mica powder and turquoise mixed together to make kind of a soft sea foam. That's going to go inside the white. And then I saved a bunch of the resin clear. We're going to put that in the middles. Again, working quickly because the resin on the outside is starting to seep into the middle of the coasters. That's okay because it's going to all blend a little bit here. We'll use the heat gun to help with the blending and also popping the air bubbles. There are so many bubbles in my coasters. And then I use an unfolded paper clip to get all of the little dust particles. Day 2, you can see I added some gold leaf. I also put a little gold glitter in the centers and some crushed glass around the edge. I did that off camera, and now I'm adding on a clear resin top coat. What I found works really well is to do this in the mold so I don't have to worry about taping or latexing the back. And if I fill it full enough so that it domes, just gets right to the edges of the mold, then it has a really good looking finish. I'm covering these up so the dust doesn't get into them. I just use a big old canvas. And then day 3, we are going in with the Deco Color Gold Leaf marker, paint marker, to do the edges. So this piece I'm holding is a type of wine butler. You place it over the wine bottle and then you can hang your wine glasses on each side of it. I really like this marker for doing the edges. It gives a beautiful finishing look. Here's a coaster before the edging. Really pretty, and then afterwards I think it looks even better with the gold. And the good thing about these markers is they dry pretty quickly. And so that is the finished coaster, and I'm going to show you the finished product. Here is that set of coasters with the wine butler. Ready to go up on my website. Let me know what you think. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a note in the comments. Love to hear from you, and if you're interested in seeing more like this, subscribe to get on the list. I really appreciate you watching and spending your time with me today. Thanks!